Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Right, yo. I'll be with you in a minute, guys. I'll be with you in a minute. Okay. So what are we looking at? We're basically going to be focusing on just a few pairs. Going to be focusing on just a few pairs. Pound USD. Focusing on pound USD, USD CAD, Euro AUD, and gold. Yeah, we'll throw in DAX as well. We'll throw in DAX as well, otherwise known as DE40. Hi, Afjal. Afjal is asking a question. Good morning. You could at least start with good morning. Okay. UK 100. I rarely trade UK 100, but I suppose what you are thinking is the fact that the Prime Minister was sworn in yesterday and you are thinking the price should have moved. Well, true. That is very true. The price should have moved yesterday. I would say, it did move. It did move in a sense. It did move. Let me just check that. Well, I'll check that later on. I'll check that UK 100 shortly. So let's just quickly, have a look at what we have here. So my system is playing up. It's a bit slow this morning. I'm not quite sure why, but let's have a look at the news. So this is Forex Factory. What concerns us for today, as per news, is just related to the Canadian dollar later on. This is UK timing, UK time or settings. So I think we're still good to go. We're still good. We are still good. Let's have a look at some of the pairs. Let's try USD, pound USD. Okay. This is pound USD. It hasn't made much move this morning. Okay, well, it's made about 50 pips this morning. Let's Okay, so this is the 5-minute time frame. So what I'm going to be doing this today, guys, is going for like 10. I'll be going for 10 pip scalps. If there's a runner, then we will go with that. Let's check the 4-hour. Let's check the higher time frames. Okay, so on the higher time frame, on the 4-hour, we see what's going on here. We are looking for a situation whereby, I mean, the price, it is bullish. I mean, it's bullish, even though it is at some sort of resistance there. Let's check the daily. Yeah, I mean, the momentum is currently to the upside. You know, so if anything, I should be looking to buy. Looking at this setup, you know, we should be looking for pound USD to push up. Right, yo. So I'll be giving some analysis as to how I intend to trade these guys. So just bear with me. Let me mark up some areas first. Okay. Okay. So I mean, never mind as this has moved up, you know, never mind that, guys. Ooh, look at that. Okay, that candle alone is about 20 pips. So what we basically want, what we want with this one now, ideally, is for the price to pull back a bit. Even if it comes back here, that'll be fine before it goes back up. You know, that's what we're looking at. Okay. So, I mean, when the price pushes up like that, when it makes a big move, you don't want to be jumping in just then. You want to wait for a pullback. So these are areas I have marked up on my own chart now. I would want the price to pull back here, you know, before continuing. It doesn't have to get here. It could just be halfway. So we don't have a big, we're not risking a lot. We don't have a huge stop loss. You know, because obviously if we get in anywhere above this red line, we'll be placing our stop loss somewhere here. So at least even if we do that, that'll be 16 pips stop loss. If we get in halfway here, that'll be about 30 pips, which will not be too much, you know, considering that this can actually move, you know, reasonably well today. You know, so that's pound USD. Let's check the others. Let's check the other pairs. So we do want this to come back slightly. Let's make this note, guys. I mean, if you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me, if there's volume, let me know. If you cannot, obviously, you cannot. You know, so that's what we're waiting for on this one. Like I say, even if it's halfway here, we're still good to go with that. Okay, so let's check USD CAD. Well, there is a Canadian news event today, so we have to be careful with that. We have to be careful about that. Oh, okay. What's going on here? Come on. Okay. So with this one, this is where we are. We are fine with that. Let's Okay. So let's have a look at USD CAD. Even though I will be hesitant to get into any trade unless I believe it's going to be giving me some quick profits. Okay, so on the 4-hour, that's what we see. Okay, I mean, the push is to the downside. Let's check the 15. So from here to the next support. Sorry, guys, my system is slow. This is disgusting. Okay, I mean, to the next support anyhow, it's about almost 80 pips, so that's still fine. Let's go to the 15. Let's go to the 15. Okay, so we see that the push is to the downside clearly. Right. And let's go to the 5. Okay, this 5-minute candle is a bit interesting. Okay, I'm gonna be selling this card, I think. Let's just wait for this. I'm gonna be selling this card now. Place my stop loss here. Like I say, I'm scalping for 10 pips and letting it run. If it's, by the time it gives me 10 pips, I'll take partial profits and let the trade run. This is USD card, guys. Where am I? Oh. Okay. So I'm going to be looking to do it that way. I'm not in yet. The candle is going to close in a minute or so. I'll be looking to get in here. Okay, so I'm selling this one now, guys. I'm selling this USD card. I'm selling for a minimum of 10 pips. And okay, so I've just sold that. My stop loss about 15 pips. And I'm going for at least 10 pips and take partial profits at about 10 pips or so. So I'm in this trade now. I'm in USD CAD. I entered here. Whenever you see yellow broken lines on my chart, know that that is where I entered. Okay, I'm going for at least 10 pips, which is going to be somewhere around here, I think. Let's see, somewhere around here. That'll be my 10 pips. I'll take partial profits then. See, it's good when we come on the live stream and get a trade almost immediately. So what I'll be doing, guys, today is posting, just in case you don't have a good broker, I've got a good broker you could use. Okay. Also, do join the Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group. I'll basically just post the I'll post the link to the Telegram group here. It's also below the video if you're watching it on YouTube. Okay, so that's the link to the Telegram group. Do join us. I do give some free signals. I do give from some free signals. Okay. So you can see it's coming up to our TP1. Let's check this time. Let's check the other time frames to see where our reasonable targets will be for today. Oh dear. Okay. So even if we were to target here, that would be like I mean, if like I say, this is my TP1. It's coming up to TP1 now. There is TP2 here and there is TP3. As a matter of fact, let me just do that. Okay, so we're almost at 10 pips, guys. I would say to take partial profits if by the time it gets there, or you might want to take partial profits, even if it gets close enough. Okay, so it gave us about 9 pips. I'm still in the trade. I'm still in this trade. Right here. Okay, so in the meantime, let's check other pairs. Let's check other pairs in the meantime. Let's look. Oh, okay, let's look at DAX. Okay, I'm liking the DAX for a buy. Let's Okay. Okay, so the pound USD. Oh, okay. It didn't come back for us. I was hoping it would come back even close to this place, but it did not. So we'll leave that and see what happens later on if it comes back there. How about Euro AUD? I do love the Euro AUD as well. Oh, I think that has also pushed. Oh, wow. That has also pushed out, also dropped. But we're still in a good place with this one. I think it still has the Euro AUD could still drop some more. So let's keep watching it as well. Okay. That's the Euro AUD. Right. Okay, so I believe some of you got in this trade. Oh, okay. Let's do USD CAD. Come on, USD CAD, move down, drop. Now, depending on your broker, I know you would have taken, some of you would have taken partial profits, because the spread of your broker does matter. As a matter of fact, I'll be posting my broker, the broker I use with very good spread in there for you shortly in the Telegram group. If you're not part of the Telegram, join us on Telegram for free. Okie dokie. So it seems like it's going to drop now. I mean, like I say, we have a Canadian news event later on today. So it will be good for us to get our pips before that event later. You see, I mean, there are a number of strategies I trade. There are a number of strategies I trade, guys, and I'll be sharing some of at least one of my strategies, on Sunday evening, UK time. I'll be having a training session with my guys. So if you want to be part of that, session, to learn some strategies, some very profitable strategies, then reach out to me on Telegram. Let me I'll let you know how you could be part of that event. Okay, we're almost at 10 pips now. Let's make that green, as that is our target. So that's TP1. Let's do this. So that's TP1. Then if you're going for TP2, that'll be it. Now, I'm sure you know, guys, when you are scalping, I mean, ideally, because you are going for fewer pips, depending on how you scalp, my scalping I usually target a minimum of 10 pips. If I see the way the price action is going, then I could take it, I take a few pips, take some profits, maybe at 8 or 9 pips. I usually enter more than one positions anyway. And because you are scalping, usually to be the case that you are using a higher or a bigger lot size. So just to be mindful of that, I will be sharing some of those, important tips even on Sunday evening. I'll be sharing some important tips on Sunday evening. So we're almost at 10 pips, guys. Right, yo. Okay, so we have hit 10 pips. So, well, it's giving us how many pips now? Let's see. Oh, it's giving us 17 pips. So definitely you've taken partial profits. I believe it's heading for TP2. That was a good drop. That was a good drop there. If you got in, guys, definitely take partial profits and move your stop loss to break even. Let's do that. So move your stop loss to break even, guys. Move your stop loss to break even and let the rest of the trade run. Now this is TP2, but definitely, you know, like I said, we are looking at about 80 pips today on this one. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Just 1 minute, guys. So definitely take partial profits. The daily time frame, let's use that. Okay, let's leave it there. We'll leave it here. So this is the final stop we are looking at today. But take partial profits as you go along. Yeah, so the final stop loss, the final take profit is going to be at 65 pips or so. So yeah, nice one, nice one. Yep, we are hitting TP2. So by now, you know, some of you might have taken, might have closed out the trade completely. So we've hit TP2 now. Awesome. We will be doing this again tomorrow, Thursday. Yep, we have hit TP2. So we've gotten like 25 pips. Okay. I am taking partial profits now. I haven't done that, but I'm taking partial profits now. Closing part of the trade and letting the rest of it run. That was a good drop, So guys, on Sunday evening, I'll be showing, you know, the VIP members this. I'll be showing them this strategy. So if you're part of the VIP, yes, I expect you to be there. But if you want to join us, then definitely, you know, do so. If you want to do so, that'll be very good. Right. Well, let's do this. You see, whenever I am doing some live trading, I'm multitasking. I am multitasking here. Okay. Now let's see if we can find any more trades. Let's see if we can find any more trades. I mean, you can surely stay in that trade for longer. All you need to do is just to manage the trade manually. All you need to do is to manage the trade manually if you want to stay in longer, you know. So that's 28 pips. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So welcome, guys. For those who have just joined us, do click on the like button for me. Hit the like button. Now, I know some of you are loyal to me. Guess what? I remain loyal to you as well. For those who are loyal to me, I know it is the case that, you normally would not even wait for me to tell you to hit the like button. You just come on and you hit the like button straight away, because I do tend to give value. I do tend to give value, and yes, I do appreciate you for that. But for some of you, you only hit the like button when you take a trade, a winning trade. Now, well, if that's what you want to do, I can't force you to do otherwise. But it does help. It does help when you hit the like button for me. It makes the YouTube algorithm, push out the link and the stream to more people. That's the way it works. So when you hit the like button and you leave comments in there, you are more or less telling YouTube, we enjoy this content, give us more of this. So it's good, guys, to encourage me by hitting the like button. So this is the trade we took this morning, guys. We entered this trade not quite long. We entered the trade about 15 minutes or so ago, and we've gotten about 25. We've got more than 25 pips. So one of the reasons why I have not been doing live trading, is because I've been working on a number of things. Also I wanted it to be that I come with a strategy that is going to mean that we get trades every time I come on. Because you see that sometimes when I come on, we don't exactly find trades, because I am trying not to scalp. But the honest truth is, if I am going to get trades each time I come on live here during the London session, I have to scalp. I send out signals to my VIP members, and a lot of the time, it's not going to be a scalp strategy, a scalp trade, except I'm sending out and I tell them the strategy, because they know my strategy. I tell them this is the strategy I'm using, and it's showing up on the 5-minute or maybe sometimes on the 15-minute. And I post that for them. Otherwise, I prefer to just send signals saying, get in here, this is the final take profit, and that's the stop loss. Obviously, I'll put the figure, the price is there. Otherwise, it is the case that I usually do not scalp during the live sessions. But going forward, that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. If there's a scalping opportunity, I will jump in and let you know when I'm getting in, obviously. If it's a day trade, any other day trade, I will also post. If it's a swing trade, I'll let you know. But going forward, guys, I'm going to be, scalping. Expect me to scalp during the live sessions. So definitely expect me to scalp during the live sessions. Hi, good morning, Suleiman. Good morning, good morning. Did you take the trade, Suleiman? Did you take the trade? So going forward, expect me to scalp. I'll be back tomorrow, Thursday. I'll be back tomorrow, for a live session. I usually, like to trade the London session, and by that, I mean precisely the London session, which starts at 8 a.m. in the morning, UK time. Now, I know some people, when they talk of the London session, they are talking of starting at 7:30. Well, that really is the European session or the Frankfurt session. I usually prefer to take the London session starting at 8. So expect me to be here just before just before 8 o'clock, or maybe slightly sometimes if I'm late. Like today, my system was playing up, so I was about 5 minutes late or so. Okay, yeah, well done, Suleiman. Well done for that. Okay, so in the meantime, let's look at other pairs, guys. We missed this. Oh, we missed this this pound USD trade. By the time we found it, it was here. The price was here. I was expecting a pullback, but it did not. It just pushed up. But it wants to pull back now. Let's see how far it will go. I believe the pound USD, is going to be pushing up. It's going to be going up some more. I mean, obviously, there's a bit of enthusiasm, because of the new prime minister. I think people are thinking that, he would do better than Liz Truss, the former prime minister. But we don't know. We just pray. I mean, as long as it's the economy, that's where I am. I definitely do pray for the UK. I pray for the UK economy to do well. Okay, so those who are joining us for the first time, welcome, welcome. I do trade, live with the VIP members, well, let's talk about you who are non-VIP members. For the non-VIP members, I endeavor to live stream, once a week. But going forward, I would do at least 2. I don't want to say stream all week, but I would say at least 2, so that we can all gain from this, collect some pips. So I am having a training session, guys, a live training session. I am having a live training session, on Sunday evening, for those of you who would like to join me. If you're not a VIP member, then do reach out to me on Telegram so that I can tell you, so I could tell you how you could join us. Okay. So welcome Sobash to the Telegram group, and Tawu as well. I know you guys are part of my other, you're part of my other Telegram channel. So I have a couple of Telegram channel, guys, just in case you want to know. Yes, there is the Forex channel. I have the Forex channel, and I also have the AAS channel. As a matter of fact, for those of you who are in the Forex channel, I'll be posting a link for you today, telling you about AAS. Now, AAS stands for Afrique Arbitrage System. Afrique Arbitrage System, which is, as the name suggests, an arbitrage platform, a crypto arbitrage platform. Now, there's a video I intend to do soon. Hopefully in the next couple of days, I'll be doing a video telling you, one of the ways you can actually fund your Forex account. A lot of people trade with, a Forex account of about $50 and $100. Now, to be honest with you, if you want to make a living from Forex, It's going to take a long time before you can grow that $50 or even $200 account. So I'm going to be sharing with you one way in which you can actually grow that account even without trading Forex. I know that's going to come as a surprise to some of you, but I mean it. I mean it. One of the ways you can actually trade, you can actually grow your account without trading, and that is by crypto arbitrage. Now, the thing is, for those of you who trade Forex, you know that it is the case that sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, but overall, to be profitable, you want to be winning more than you lose. Like today, for instance, we've just won a trade. Well, I'm still in the trade. I believe some of you are still in the trade. The trade has given us like about 30 pips or so, which is good. Yeah, it's giving us about 30 pips or so, which is good, and I believe it's still going to drop. So I'll be sharing some strategies with you on Sunday evening. But anyway, I would also talk a bit more about Afrique arbitrage. It's crypto arbitrage. I'll also talk a bit more about it on Sunday evening. But in a nutshell, crypto arbitrage is basically, if you do it well, you hardly lose, not like Forex. With Forex, you more or less have no control because it's a zero-sum game, like we call it. Forex is a zero-sum game, which means somebody is going to lose. That's just the truth. But in crypto arbitrage, because you are buying and selling in a different way, it is the case that you buy some crypto, maybe you buy, a cryptocurrency. There are so many of them. You buy, maybe at $100, or even if it's $5, you buy it at $5 and sell it at a different exchange, for about $5.50. Guess what? You make a profit of 50 cents. Now, if you buy a whole lot more, you make a whole lot more. If you were to buy, crypto, of about $100 and you sell it at $110, that's $10 in your pocket. And it's such that this platform, Afrique, uses a robot which does it very quickly. It does it. The transactions are very quick. The transactions are very quick, and it is the case that you hardly lose. I mean, think of buying an apple for $1 and selling it at $2. You basically buy the apple, immediately sell it. Now, before you sell it, you have already found the buyer. That's what's important, guys. You buy it on one exchange, you found the buyer in one exchange, and you found a seller in another exchange. So immediately you're buying it, you are selling it. So there is no case of, there's hardly any issue of the price going down before you sell. No, it hardly happens, especially as we are using a robot which is very, very fast. So it's awesome, guys. So with that, you make a profit like every day. Imagine growing your account by about 2% every day, guys. That is awesome. So that's basically what I'm going to be introducing to you guys. I'll be doing a video for you who are in the Forex channel. I'll be doing a video for you, and I'll be doing a video for you to explain things better so that you can begin to grow your account. Now, one thing in Forex, guys, is being able to trade and go to bed. I would love for you guys to be able to enter your Forex trade, like this morning now, we are basically scalping. Like I told you, we're going to be scalping, even though we have runners now. I mean, it's still going, but the whole idea today was to get at least 10 pips. If the market gives us more, fine. It has given us 3 times more. Isn't that beautiful, guys? You come into the market expecting $10 and it gives you 30. You come in expecting 100, it gives you 300. You come in expecting $1,000 and it gives you $3,000. That is a wow. So that's basically where I want to bring my Forex students to. I want to bring them to a point where you will not just be entering or taking scalp trades where you have to sit by the computer. I want you to be able to, enter a trade that you will close at the end of the day or close in some days' time, which means you can go shopping, you can go sleep, you can do anything, and you're not watching and babysitting your trade. The only way you can begin to do that, guys, is one, you will learn a good strategy, a good trading strategy, and two, have a sizable account, to trade with. Not trading with $50 and $100 and $200. You want Afrik is going to make a lot of people very rich, guys. Afrik, I call it Afrik or AAS. That's the crypto platform. It's going to make a lot of people rich in a very short time. And imagine, when you begin to make money from the crypto arbitrage, you can fund your account with $5,000 and trade. Would you not like to trade with $5,000? In the past, I've showed people my screen. Well, some of my members, I've shown some of my members, my account, when it was about 15,000 and all that. Now, that is basically where I want you guys to come to. Wow, this thing is dropping beautiful for us. Guys, I'm excited. I'm going to be sharing some strategies with you guys on Sunday evening. Look at this. It's giving us how many pips now? Now, I know some of you, it's new to some of you. You don't know what pips are, but that's how we measure the movement of price in the market. So far, it's giving us 38 pips. Whoa. I hope if you're still in the trade, if you're still in this trade, guys, let me know. Type in the comment section if you're still in the trade. If you are still in the trade, type in the comment section, either on YouTube or on Telegram. Well, preferably YouTube. Type in the comment section if you are still in the trade. Hi, Adesola. I don't know if Adesola took this trade. I can see you are here with us as well. I don't know if you took this trade, Adesola. So guys, I have been trading for how many years now? I can't even remember. I've been trading for at least 12 years, guys, at least 12 years. And I've been mentoring people in Forex for at least 5 years. I would have to check the precise number of years, for at least 5 years. And there's nothing as beautiful as being able to empower people with strategies that they need to just take their trading to a whole nother level. So that is basically. So let me open up the chat in the Telegram group. Let me open up the chat there. Okay. Yep, I can see some of you have joined us from the AAS channel. Welcome, welcome, guys. This is how we do it. This is how we have been collecting the dollars. Okay. Just 1 minute, guys, just 1 minute. Just a minute, just a minute. I'm still here. right here. So now, like I say, I mean, this is the final TP. It will be good. It will be good today if we can hit this TP of about, I think it was about 65 pips or so. Yeah, 65 pips. If we can hit that. Now, surely I'm not going to stay here all day. I'll be leaving soon. So let's quickly check other pairs. Now, this one is just pushing up. I won't risk it. I mean, how about, oh, now I'm not quite sure when this trade left us. This trade left us as well. We missed this euro trade as well. But anyway, you know, sometimes it's just best to focus on just the one pair. You know, once you get into a trade and it's the potential is huge, you know, just, you know, don't be greedy, just, you know, stay with that trade, or else you might end up losing. Oh, it's almost at our final TP. So guys, like I did say to you, you know, when I'm trading like this, I'm multitasking, I'm typing in the Telegram groups, I'm typing, responding. That's one of the reasons why we will miss trades. When I'm trading on my own, you know, I do usually pick up all these trades, you know, obviously you basically mark up your chart, you know, and you know when to enter because you are not distracted, you know, teaching and trading and all that. You are able to capture, you know, trades, 2-3 trades, you know, but once I share the strategy with you, you can trade on your own. Aren't you excited? I am excited. A lot of people are going to be empowered on Sunday. Whoa. A lot of people are going to be empowered. You know, there's nothing as beautiful for me as just empowering my students, you know, and taking their trading game to the next level. Now look at this one, this Euro AUD. That's where, well, somewhere around here is where I would have entered. So which basically means we would have been over 60 pips now if we had got this trade. And this is the target. It might drop lower, but this is definitely, you know, I usually, you know, what I tend to do when I'm trading, I mark up, you know, price points where I believe the trade will surely get to. Now, I'm not a prophet in that sense. I don't quite, you know, I'm not saying it will surely get there, but in most of the time, you know, you want to have an idea of where the price is going. You want to have an idea of where the price is going. You know, so it's a good thing to know. I mean, so this is what I'll be teaching you guys on. Actually, let's check DAX and gold. I usually love to trade DAX and gold as well. Let's check DAX and gold. Okay, this is meant to be, oh, this is, I want gold. I want gold. I want gold. Now listen to this, guys, just before we go to gold. What I would also be sharing with some of my, well, not some, what I'll be sharing with I have shared it with my VIP already. I've taught them, you know, how to enter a trade, even though it has already taken off. Now with this one, for instance, we were hoping to get a pullback, you know, but even if a trade does not pull back, you can still catch it along the way, because think of it this way. When we saw it, the price was here. But since then, it went on to give over 75 pips. Now, because I'm here live, I did not take any other trade, but I would have been able to jump in again, you know, as it pushed up. I've taught my VIP guys and some of the new members, especially the AAS members, I would also be sharing with you. I would also be sharing with you how to, you know, join a trade, join the train that has already left the station. You know, I'll be doing that as well. So, but let's go to gold. Let's see what gold is offering today. Okay, gold has also left its station. But hey, guys, if I was trading alone, I would have caught the trade on gold, the trade on USD CAD, the trade on Euro Aussie dollar. I would have caught at least 3 trades today if I was trading on my own. But because I'm doing live trading, I'm multitasking, I missed some of it. But this one, let's look at the daily on gold. Oh, gold has made some big move today. Okay, so I mean, I most likely would join this trade again. I most likely would take some of these trades again, later on today. I most likely would take some of this trade later on today, when they give us an opportunity, to join in for a pullback or something. I most likely will be taking them again. Otherwise, if you don't overtrade, guys, don't overtrade. Like I said, we're going to be scalping, and when if you're scalping, usually you would use a big lot size. Now, if you have taken a trade with a big lot size and you have won today, you might as well call it a day. As a matter of fact, I don't think I'll be trading again today because I've got a lot of videos to do, a lot of training videos to do. So, hey, now listen to this. I think I'll be doing the video today to tell you how to actually, join AAS. I think I would do that. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Amina. I got your I got your message. Okay, I've just responded to you, Amina, right here. So, guys, I mean, there's little any point of staying longer here now. I mean, okay, so I can see some of you have joined us. So welcome, Engineer Crown, and welcome Ruth, and welcome Elvis. Now, I've left a link there for the Telegram group. Do join the Telegram group for more tips. I've basically just been speaking about Afrique arbitrage. Now, for some of you who don't know about it, I'll be doing a video today to explain how you can actually, fund your account using Afrique, fund your Forex account. Instead of trading with a $50 account, a $200 account, how about being able to trade with a $1,000 account, $5,000 account, $15,000 account? I love multiple streams of income, guys. And to be honest with you, with the way the economy is, one stream of income is not good enough for me. I don't know about you, but for me, it's not good enough. So, guys, let me leave it here. Hi, Elvis. Elvis, chat with me, please. I would love to chat with you. Chat with me, Ruth, as well, if you can. So Ruth, Elvis, Crown Joseph, do chat with me on the Telegram group, and let's take this to another level. Let's make these dollars together. Let's make these dollars together. Okay, now. So have a nice day. I'll be back here tomorrow for the London session. I usually like to start the London session at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. UK time, which is currently the same thing as West African time, I think. So do chat up, join us tomorrow, and let's see what we can find tomorrow. Now, like I always say, we don't win every trade, but we win a lot. I'm sure you like the sign. I should put a trademark on that. I say that all the time. We don't win every trade, but we win a lot. And guess what, guys? scalping is particularly very good for some of us because we don't have time all day to be trading. So I love to scalp. I love to take swing trades, but scalping is what I'm going to be doing a whole lot more of now because I'm training people a lot in Forex and training people in other areas. So, okay, guys, God bless. Bye now. So if you want today, leave it in the section, guys. Leave it in the comment section on Telegram. Do that on Telegram, and let's do this together. Okay, have a blessed day. God bless.